still release this fish if you think we got enough to eat.
We probably do.
Okay, then I'm going to release it. He's not hurt.
Okay.
Okay, you ready? Ready for a release?
Yeah.
How come we can't keep it?